Welcome to Jordan Hauser Digital. I'm here to help you guys develop your creativity and really hone in on your camera skills through a DIY approach to your learning. But why on earth would you listen to me? Here's the 411. I went to school to study photography and drink beer, but mostly photography. My best friend asked me to help him shoot a music video. I had no idea at the time, but that experience pretty much shaped my entire future. A few jobs and hundreds of commercials later, I was on teams shooting campaigns for giant brands such as Volvo, GQ Magazine, Bombay Sapphire, American Eagle, and Jack Daniels, just to name a few. If you want to learn a few techniques that can take your videos and photos to the next level, then get up there and subscribe. You can join us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for brand new videos.